Okay, what is present value? So the present value is the amount of money that you would need to invest today in order to reach specific future value after a certain number of compounding periods. So actually it tells you the worth today of a future sum of money assuming a fixed interest rate and compounding schedule. So the formula is P equals S over 1 plus I to the power n. So here P represents the present value and S represents the future value, which means the amount that you want in future, and I represents the interest per period. So let me write that. I represents the interest per period. To get this value, what you have to do is you have to divide R by K, and N represents the number of compounding periods. To get this period, what you have to do is you have to multiply K by T. So you can use this formula when you want to know how much you have to invest today to reach a future goal, like saving for college, retirement, or big purchase. Okay, so let's try an example. So here you have to calculate the lump sum must be invested at 10% compounded annually for investment to grow to future value of 15,000 in 7 years. Okay, so here the future value is S, which is going to be 15,000, and interest rate R is going to be 10%, which is 0.10, and K, which is given by 2 because this is compounded semi-annually. So K is equals to 2 and T is going to be 7, and N is the total number of periods, which is given by K times T. So that means you have to multiply 2 by 7, which is 14, and I is the interest rate per period. To get that value, you have to divide R by K, which is going to be 0.10 divided by 2. It's going to be 0.05. Okay, so now let's calculate the present value. So P equals S plus I to the power n. So I'm going to use the first formula, but if you're comfortable using the second formula, you can go ahead and use that. So here S is going to be 15,000, and in the denominator you have to put your I, which is 0.05, and the exponent is going to be 14, and if you use your calculator get this value, it's going to be $75,7602. So you must approximately invest this amount of money today at 10% compounded semi-annually to get 15,000 in 7 years.